It's summertime, it's hot, everybody's going to the beach for vacation, stuff like that. Here's some things you can keep in mind. Make sure your car stays in good shape. So if you go up to the beach, you're gonna get salt water on it, sand, things like that. That's not a big deal like short term, but long term, you wanna make sure you get that stuff rinsed off as quick as possible. So like on your way home from the beach, go through one of those high pressure car washes or something to get everything rinsed out. Make sure it's got the stuff that rinses out underneath, because a lot of the cars underneath, they're not coated, so rust can happen really quickly. And you don't want that stuff sitting on the paint either, because the hot sun, it'll bake into that stuff and it can etch into it. Just like tree sap, same thing. You don't want tree sap sitting on your car. It turns into like little magnifying glass and burn the paint off. And it's just harsh stuff. Salt water is really harsh, so you want to get all of that stuff off your car, especially if you want to keep it, because it'll turn into a rust bucket in a hurry. If you are going to go through a car wash, make sure you're going through one of the high pressure touchless ones. You don't want to go through the ones that have the spinny things, especially when you've got like sand and salt and all that stuff on your car, because it's abrasive and it'll get stuck on there and it'll scratch your car up real bad. And then you're going to have to go to somebody to do like paint correction and wax it, and it's a lot to fix that. So you want to do that, or wash it by hand. There's going to be a ton of videos online on that, like 2 bucket methods, so that you've got a clean bucket and a dirty bucket, so that you're not spreading dirt around your car and stuff like that. Or of course you could just get in a wreck and then we'll detail your car when you get it back. Probably not the best way to go with that. Just kidding, don't do that. I'm Todd from Johnson Autobody. As usual, just give us a call or swing by if you ever have any questions about any of this stuff.